Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh. Yo, what's up, my people? So today we'll be reacting to another suggested Zhou Shen video. This video is called Heaven Highland, but I have a confession, right? My sincere apologies for saying Zhou Shen is a woman. I never know, bro. Like, the features on this guy appears in my side to be a woman, and he's actually a man. His voice, his vocals, everything gives that impression that he's actually a woman. But you guys made so much comments giving me tons of corrections saying he's actually a man. Hey bro, Zhou Shen, you are an incredible artist, and as a Jamaican I am inspired by your voice, and you are such a great phenomenon. Okay guys, so without further ado, let's dive into what Zhou Shen has to give us on this Heaven Highland song. Peace.
悄悄告诉你，欢迎你来到天堂入口。叮咚，有人在按门铃，是谁在外面把恶作剧当一场游戏？听啊，谁在哭泣？看啊，谁在窃窃私语？双眼睛，他在时刻注视着你。叮咚，我在这里等你，你在等我吗？是什么原因让你害怕？叮咚，你会藏在哪里？别想要逃离，想逃出手心已来不及，被遗忘的记忆，被你藏起来的秘密，我要大声呼吸。
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, wow. Wow. The last time I've heard that type of angelic voice, that type of vocals, I think it was Dimash, bro. Dimash is from Schizophrenian, and bro, trust me, I never think that someone else could do what Dimash does. Bro, that's crazy. It's like this man is actually someone from heaven, bro. His voice is so angelic. It's like an angel singing unto us, bro. Bro, this is crazy.
你的秘密。叮咚，有人在看你的挂件，我打不出去。
大家好，我叫周果子，然后我是来自天堂岛上的真漂亮整形医院的歌手。对，然后之前除了唱《天堂岛之歌》之外，然后《明星大侦探》里面所有的恐怖童谣都是我唱的。然后如果有人不愿意给我投票的话，我下一部恐怖童谣唱的就是你哦。
Bro, I ain't gonna lie. It sounds like a siren. Like an actual siren. Yo, that's crazy. That's mind blowing. That's mind blowing. I gotta say, this is worth watching. This is worth suggesting. I mean, like, you guys have done such an incredible job mentioning this to me. And for that, you guys should also give us more suggestions that I would check out next for you guys. Wow. Zhou, my bro, you've killed it. You've nailed this one. The performance was outstanding. It's astonishing. It amazes me to see how beautiful your voice really stands out to us. And I'm now a big fan of your music. If you guys enjoyed this reaction, don't forget to leave a like on this video, smash that subscribe button, and also share it to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor when it comes on to Zhou Shen. I'll see you guys in the next video.